Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start SQL Server. We'll cover the essential steps to get your SQL Server instance up and running smoothly. First, we'll look at using the SQL Server Configuration Manager, a primary tool for managing services. Then, we'll explore starting services directly from the Windows Services console. Finally, I'll show you how to quickly confirm your server is active and ready for connections. The SQL Server Configuration Manager is your go-to tool for service control. Once opened, expand SQL Server Services in the left pane. You'll see a list of all SQL Server instances on your machine. Simply right-click the specific instance you wish to start, then choose Start from the context menu. A green arrow icon will confirm the service is running, indicating success. Encountering issues? Don't worry. First, examine the SQL Server error logs, usually found in the instance's log directory, for detailed messages. Next, confirm that the service account has sufficient permissions to access database files and system resources. Also, check for potential port conflicts. Another application might be using the default port, which is 1433. Resolving these common problems often gets your server running. For optimal performance, configure your SQL Server services to start automatically with Windows. This ensures your databases are always available after a system reboot. Regularly reviewing error logs is also a smart practice, helping you catch minor issues before they become major problems. Remember, a well-maintained server runs smoothly. And speaking of smooth, if your car needs a refresh, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.